Hi friend! Have you ever had one of those mornings where you just cannot get out of bed? Well, you have that in common with your neighborhood bees. Squash bees and bumblebees love sleeping inside big, cozy flowers like pumpkins and squash. When the sun goes down, they tuck themselves into the petals. But here is the cutest part. If you catch them early in the morning before they warm up, you can actually see them yawning and stretching their little legs. They sleep so deeply that they sometimes get completely covered in pollen while snoozing, waking up covered in glittery yellow dust. Bonus wisdom! Male squash bees don't live in a hive, so these flower beds are their permanent bachelor pads for the entire season. Get some cozy rest today, friend. Press the buttons and join the Gnome Colony for more backyard bugs.